name is Katie and I'm a travel agent. I specialize in Disney and theme park vacations, but I can help you travel anywhere. And today we are at the Sheraton Universal Hotel in Burbank, California, right next to Universal Studios Hollywood. In this video, I'm going to take you on an in-depth room tour and we're going to look at all the features of this room that I stayed in. All right, let's dive into the room tour. All right, stepping into the room. This is a one king room on the 20th floor with club level access. So you have got a nice rolly chair here with a desk. There's lots of lights here. And this is a very nice spacious desk to get some work done. There's a glass top on it. Rolly chair, you've got 2 drawers, phone, lots of outlets here. Got drawers, one big drawer, some storage space here, king bed, and something I am noticing right away is it is not super quiet from the road noise. So if you're super sensitive to that, that's something to consider. And you've got 4 pillows here, got the nice like faux leather bed. You have got the reading lights and a really, really big window. The whole wall is a window. That is really awesome. So there's tons of natural light in here. You do have some space here for your suitcases and to unpack. You've got this table, which we've got some information about Los Angeles. And then we have some information about Universal Studios Hollywood because it is right across the street. You have got your TV, and this does pivot, so you can move that around. Then you have a little sofa seating area here, which is nice to have. And then some really cool pictures of old school Universal Studios and movie making. And then here is the view. Really fun view. Really fun view of the Hollywood Hills. I mean, there's a bunch of buildings here that's not like beautiful particularly, but I do like the mountains back there. And then you can see a little bit of Universal Studios over there. Got the Minion. Pivoting back around, here is a view from the other side. There's a lot of floor space in this room. Now here's the actual door leading into the room, and then you have this little hallway here. On one side you have got all your storage and amenities, and on the other side we have the restroom, and then we have this giant mirror, which is the sliding door. Again, with the sliding doors into a bathroom, it is so popular right now. I absolutely hate it, but I will not hold that against this room. I do love that they've utilized a giant mirror here. So here's the bathroom. This is really cute. Large shower, all glass here. It's like a stone bottom, that's different. Then we have some in-shower amenities. We have the lower handle, and then we have the standard shower here. We've got some in-shower amenities and a little space for storage. All right, pivoting from the shower, I do like this print. We have the commode, trash can. I like that there's a shelf there. Got this big sink, the pretty good amount of counter space. Got some storage down here, everything you might need. Big mirror. I think this is a really nice bathroom. Oh, and there's shelves here as well. So lots of storage opportunities. All right, now on the other side of the hallway, we have this whole like row of cabinets and amenities. So firstly, we have the closet, these glass doors. We've got 2 drawers down here. We have a safe, that is nice, definitely fit everybody's laptops in there. We have an iron, an ironing board, some dry cleaning options, hangers, shelf for storage. I feel like looking at this, it might feel like there's not a lot of storage, but they're really using every square inch they've got here. So I do like that. So this is an empty cabinet. 2 empty drawers. You've got your ice, some water bottles, a decorative shelf, and coffee maker, coffee accoutrement. We've got Starbucks, Cafe Verona, and some Tazo tea options. And then we have a mini fridge, good size mini fridge. It's nice and cold. I do love that. So no microwave here, but you do have the mini fridge and the coffee maker. After staying 4 nights in this room, I'm happy to report that we thoroughly enjoyed this room and this hotel. It was very comfortable. I enjoyed being right across the street, walking distance from Universal Hollywood. They also had a shuttle to Universal Studios Hollywood. This is as close as you're going to get to an on-property stay at Universal Studios Hollywood. They do not have official on-property resorts as they do at Universal Orlando. I really enjoyed the Hollywood touches throughout the resort and the room. This particular room came with club level access, though the room itself is the same as the ones that do not come with club level access, as long as you're getting that 1 king standard room. If you're interested in a tour of this complete resort and my thoughts on the resort as a whole in more detail, check out that video linked here. Overall, I definitely recommend this room style and this resort. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this fun and informative, and if you would like to travel to Universal Studios Hollywood, Burbank, or anywhere, I would love to be your travel agent. My information is on the screen and you can use that to get in contact with me and we can plan your next magical vacation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a magical day.